And whether they're your fault or not, whether they were intentional or even realize you were making a decision, those decisions monumentally added up to put you exactly where you are for the better or for the worse. And when I talk to people and they don't want to change things, but they want a different result, I'm like, look at the recipe for your life. That was the recipe that literally baked you to who you are and where you are right now. And if you think you're going to continue the same exact recipe and get a different result, it's literally the definition of insanity. But people don't want to change, but they want a different result. And I'm not saying it's easy to change, but that's why I think a lot of the times the people that I talk to, when you hear a lot of success stories, like, I hurt my hand, I couldn't work anymore. I got a terminal disease that I had to change my diet and start eating vegan. People wait until the pain is so great or the pressure has become a place that they're to a point of no return. And I feel like they get in life to a place that they only make changes when they're being reactive to something tragic that happened rather than being proactive when it would have been an easier choice. And I try and remember that every day. And it's hard, but it's like you said, you don't have to change your whole life today.